Hello everyone, welcome to Byju's exam prep. In today's video, we'll be seeing the different shapes and the formulas for calculating the areas and the volumes. तो टू डायमेंशनल फिगर्स का हम यहाँ पर देखेंगे कि क्या डिफरेंट शेप्स होती हैं और क्या क्या चीजें होती है। फटाफट से क्विक वीडियो के अंदर में विल बी सीइंग ईच एंड एवरीथिंग. So if we start off with the rectangle, so basically rectangle is a figure in which we have a length as well as a breadth here, which you can see it from here only, right? So this is the length and this is the breadth. Area becomes length into breadth, perimeter becomes twice of length plus breadth. If you look at the square, so basically square is a figure where all sides become equal and the area is side square and their perimeter is going to be 4 times of side. Triangle, if you look at the normal triangle, area is half base into height, but we can calculate the area using Hero's formula also, that is yes, under root of s, s minus a, s minus b, s minus c, where s is the semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter means sum of all the three sides divided by 2. If you look at right angle triangle, right, so area becomes same, half base into height, base and height will be like this only. Equilateral triangle ka area is different and it's root 3 by 4 side square is the area. Half base into height se, so obviously we can calculate the area for any triangle, right? And the perimeter will become thrice of this side. Isosceles right angle triangle की अगर हम बात करें तो these two sides will become equal, so half base into height, that means half a into a will become half a square, that is your area, and the perimeter will be twice of a plus d, so it becomes really easy for you. तो similar सी figure लग रही है, थोड़ी सी जानी पहचानी हुई figure लग जाएंगी. So we are just looking at the figures fast track. तो पैरेललोग्राम की अगर हम बात करें तो पैरेललोग्राम में two pair of sides, opposite pair of sides are equal as well as parallel. So if you look at this, these two are sides which are parallel as well as equal, same these with B side. How to calculate the area of parallelogram? That is base into height. So now this is the height h and if A is the base, so area becomes A into h. We look at the perimeter for this, that becomes twice of A plus twice of B. Twice we can take common, so twice of A plus B. If we look at the rhombus, rhombus is a figure in which all sides become equal as well as opposite sides are parallel, and if you can see diagonals are also there which intersect at 90 degree or which bisect at 90 degree. So area calculate करना है तो half d1 into d2 is the area of the rhombus. Perimeter calculate करेंगे तो same as the square, 4 times of side. Trapezium की बात करें, one pair of sides are parallel and other pair of sides are oblique sides, they are non-parallel sides. So if you want the area, half sum of the parallel sides into height. So A and B are the parallel sides. So sum of A and B into height का half करेंगे, will get the area. And perimeter is sum of all the 4 sides. Circle की बात करें, area is pi r square and perimeter or the circumference everyone knows that is 2 pi r, easy. Semi circle कर देंगे तो सब कुछ half हो जाएगा. Area will become half of pi r square. Perimeter में this complete is 2 pi r. If you keep it half, so this will become pi r, but these two additional radiuses will also come, that's why 2r we have added here. Ring shaded region की अगर हम बात करेंगे तो area is बड़े वाले सर्कल का एरिया माइनस द छोटे वाले सर्कल का एरिया. So pi capital R square minus small r square is the area of this shaded portion. सेक्टर ऑफ ए सर्कल की अगर हम बात करेंगे कि पिज्जा का स्लाइस लेना है पूरे पिज्जा में से, दैट इज अ सेक्टर ऑफ अ सर्कल विद सेंट्रल एंगल थीटा एंड रेडियस r, तो दैट इज थीटा अपॉन 360 इंटू पाई आर स्क्वायर इज द एरिया. ठीक है, अगर हमें कैलकुलेट करना है इसका सर्कमफ्रेंस तो ये वाला पार्ट हम कैलकुलेट करेंगे थीटा अपॉन 360 इंटू 2 पाई आर से, विच इज एल, प्लस ये दोनों रेडियस आ जाएंगे 2r. तो कुछ कुछ फिगर्स थी जिनके बारे में हमने डिस्कस किया. इस सीरीज में हम आगे और भी वीडियोस लेकर के आएंगे वेयर विल बी डिस्कसिंग वॉल्यूम्स की बात करेंगे, एरियाज की बात करेंगे, कैसे हम कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं फॉर 3D फिगर्स ऑल्सो. दिस वीडियो वॉज फॉर 2D figures. Now what's going on in Byju's exam prep? We have launched a batch where we are providing 300 plus recorded videos across 5 sections, 300 plus hours of live class, 35 mocks, e-magazine, and the content, each and everything is there. Limited seats. Call us on this number if you want a seat here. And please subscribe to us. Please be social with us so that you'll not miss these videos. Please subscribe our YouTube channel. Follow us on Instagram, like our Facebook page, join us on Telegram, and download our app from the Play Store. Thank you very much for this video. Thanks a lot everyone and all the very best.